Hello guys, this is John from McLaud Technology, and today our lesson is how to replace the main board. So first, you need to remove the power from here. Okay, unplug the power. Then there will be screws that are covering here. That would be here, 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 and over there, over here, here, and this one are important. This one you don't need it. This one, then the screw here and the screw here. So once you remove the screw, so for the purpose of video, okay, you remove the screw. Then be sure that you collect the screw over there. You can remove this metal over here. So this is how it removes. Okay. So this is how it looks right now. So the first technique that I have to do, so this one is the air pump, that one is the power supply, and this one is the main board. So the only technique that I would like to tell you is about marking these things that you will never change it. So it's a very straightforward. Everything is color coded. So like this is for the vacuum. So everything is color coded. You just need to remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, remove all the wires. Okay, but here there's a technique here. So we put the A, we put the B, we put the C, so that this would not interchange. And over here you put like the number 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, there are 5 cable here. So you just need to remove the cable there. And this one, you never interchange this because there's only 2. So all you have to do is remove all these cables. Remove the screw, this screw over here. And very straightforward. Okay, remove all the screw. Then after that, you can remove the board, put the new board, and put it back. So the most important is you will not make a mistake doing these things. So we put the number here, like up to number 5, so that it will be consistent. Okay, so this is the sub process also. So if you replace also the power supply, the same process too. So just remove this screw over here, remove this one too, remove this cable, and right away you can remove it. So same thing with the air pump. This is the air pump. So there are screw here that will be removed. Remove here, replace it there. Remove this cable. This hose going there, and this is the hose that's going to the right, and that's it. So it's very straightforward to replace the main board. So it's very easy to repair. So if you have that error like 1311839, I think somewhat like that, like a main board. So all you have to do is Google the error, like Epson 7890 error code, whatever the error code, and it says that you have to replace the main board. So this is how you replace the main board. So it's very easy, right? And after that, you put it back together and power on the printer. All right guys, so good luck to you with your replacing the main board. Thank you so much.